Let's dive into the solution. First things first, make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes, a weak or intermittent connection can lead to download failures. If your connection is solid and the issue persists, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Temporary disable antivirus firewall. Your antivirus or firewall might be blocking the download. Temporarily disable them and try running the directx setup again. Remember to enable them back once the setup is complete for continued protection. Step 3. Run directx setup as administrator. Right-click on the directx setup file and run it as an administrator. This grants the necessary permissions for the installation process. Step 4. Manual download. If all else fails, you can manually download the directx setup from the official Microsoft website. Install it, and you should be good to go. And there you have it, folks. A quick guide to overcome the directx setup could not download the file error. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and gaming hacks. Let us know in the comments if you have any other issues you'd like us to tackle. Until next time, happy gaming!